Hello everyone, this is Chen. It's been a while, so let me reintroduce myself. Chen, I'm a designer. I used to make fun, silly, stupid stuff. Been out of the YouTube game for a while, so here's what happened. The past few years, I started a 3D prop business where I sell props like this Etsy, and it's a fun experiment. Built a couple 3D printers and bought more. Also, I get back into my old hobby of scale modeling, so I got a couple works down here and some awards. Also dabbed into the AI image generation. I made some stupid things. But the most important thing is I got 2 boys now, so I'm a father. They give me a lot of issues, but also a lot of joy. More importantly is they give me new perspective of things, so that could be interesting. Been quite strange few years with more obligations, so less time for this kind of fun stuff, but I'm trying to get back to it. So for the future of the channel, I'm not exactly sure what the content will be because I move interests from one place to another, so it could be similar maker stuff, it could be some modeling stuff, or it could be silly kid stuff. I don't know. AI maybe, but we'll see how it goes. What would you like to see more? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for you guys if you're still watching this, and we'll see you later.